Hey guys, so today we are going to be fishing. So my fishing rod's over there, but first we are going to check under the boats for creatures like
You hear that?
catfish.
It's a frog.
Okay, so we're gonna do
Heard
the
a
lucky
frog.
boat first.
I heard a frog.
Okay.
This is the lucky boat right here. I know it.
Used to be the red one, but now it's
Because the red one was here.
okay.
Ugh.
Ow! There was a catfish.
Well, there was a catfish there. You probably guys didn't be able to see that.
Yeah.
Get a peek over the edge this time.
No.
Oh, there's a bunch of baby catfish right there. You see that?
I did not see it.
You probably wouldn't be able to see it on camera, but let's go check over here. There were a bunch of baby catfish though. All right, let's see over here. Oh, bro,
Wait,
those were baby catfish.
yeah,
Did you
in
get that,
like
Liam?
1 minute.
Did you get that? No, wait, Tyler. Okay. Oh! No. You guys might not be able to see that on camera. Yeah. It's not ours.
Okay,
It's
so
Mommin. It's Mommin. With Mommin.
okay,
With Mommin there, Liam. You mommy, you're in the video. Come on, Liam, let's go. Go.
oops.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at the spider. Look at the size of it. It's huge. Okay, stop.
Okay, let's go.
You guys might not be able to see the fish, but there were.
I'm gonna go back
Next
to the
time-
porch. There's no bugs there.
I'm trying to talk here.
Mom, can you bring some bug spray?
It's all upstairs. Anybody have that?
We have this weird bug thing.
Yeah.
What are you doing? It looks like one of those larvae. It's actually a larva.
Yeah, it's a grown-up one.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, did you? That was a good day for that.
It's so weird.
It's like, look at that.
On a Monday, it probably wasn't.
I don't know what the hell that is.
And my father's over there in the water.
Yeah, wait a minute. See that little orange thing? Right
Muddy from the rain that we got over the weekend.
there, I guess. Right below my finger.
I want to go back
Focus.
At
There it
the
is.
end of the video, we are going to be catching frogs.
It's on the other side where those
Either
rocks
there
are.
or down there.
Yeah, over there. I'll show you.
I had a good back.
Where the
Behind this bridge.
It's not. It is a bridge, but surprise, surprise. There's a waterfall behind this bridge.
And these
Oh. Yeah, look at that. There's frogs over there. There's like a little thing. I know, but there's stuff, you know.
Are you gonna reel it in? Yeah, I'm gonna reel in what we have on the end of the line.
So we don't have bait, but we do have something else.
1 second.
Yeah.
Warm.
So what we do have on
Stop zooming in on the bob.
is
Zoom in on Tyler, okay? Not the freaking bob.
drill it in fast because that's what the
Trout. It's a lure that when it shines, trout are attracted to it. Even if you reel it in, it just spins and makes really bright like lights.
up close to the camera.
So it's where it has a triple hook. There's this sparkly stuff at the end of this thing. And we have this thing that flickers around in the water, making a bright light that attracts trout.
Okay.
We're here for trout, not catfish.
Those are the two.
But if you do listen, you can hear croaking. So somewhere around the video, you might hear croaking when we're not talking.
Ryan, I would watch out.
I'm gonna be on the porch.
So let's cast it out. Ryan away. Ooh, what was that? Okay.
You just messed up in the entire internet. That's
Okay,
sad.
That was weird.
Don't get stuck on it. You heard that? If you listen, guys, then you can actually... We'll stop talking for the past minute. You could probably hear the frog now. So, Just
Okay,
listen.
And we're gonna probably reel it in because it's easy.
Should we catch the frog now? I want to catch him so bad.
So we're gonna let that sit for a while, and in our meantime, we are going to catch the frog. I know I said at the end of the video, but we're kind of getting bored.
Random net we found on the dock, so
Or we can use my net.
if it runs away. Alright, I'm gonna try, guys.
Net.
Just in case net. Is that its new name?
Yeah.
The just in case net? The
Sounds
just in case net.
It's just
It kind of sounds like just in case.
yeah.
Just in case.
Okay, I'm on first.
So guys, if you come over here. Come here. Liam, stand here. Stand here. Stand right there, Liam. You moved. Let me see the camera. Alright, so guys, you see him? The little froggy. Wait, where is he again? Oh, there he is. You guys see that? He's right there. No. There's a frog over there as well. I'm gonna try catching him. Alright, can you move?
Yeah, and I'm the just in case.
Did you get him?
I got him. You got him.
I got him. No! Stay in the net. Get in the net. Came out the net.
Oh, I see him. He's right there.
Oh yeah, I see him. Oh, he went under the rock.
He'll come out.
Yeah. That's a bummer. I'm gonna like stick my.
He went under there.
Oh, we did?
Yeah. I'm gonna stick.
Oh,
Catfish.
It was a catfish, guys.
But
Did you
we're
get
not
that on
looking
camera,
for
Liam?
those.
No.
Frogs under
Tonight it's super buggy.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it's just super buggy. There is a brown frog somewhere in here. What was that? You know we're not here for catfish. We're here for trout. Oh no, is that him? Oh no, that's not him.
Oh,
I thought I just saw him. Where is he? I saw him.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to fishing.
I'm gonna be here for a little bit. Cameraman, you decide. Go stay here or go with Tyler. It's probably not gonna be that exciting with me.
Just yell out frog if you catch one, okay? Or see one.
Looking yet? Dog?
Cool. Wait, never mind. This is my dad.
Hello, YouTube.
Okay.
See if we can catch a fish.
What's up? Oh God. Look at it. He's not a cat. What the heck?
Like a triple front flip.
It's like a something maniac thingy front flip, but
Okay, let's
we're
go
just
catch.
gonna sit here for the rest of our lives. It's gonna be a long day. It's
Or a
already
long
8.
life.
Wait, what time? Wait, Liam, you keep high.
Hey, a bird.
Oh, here's a bird. Tyler, can you throw? Tyler. Which one are you gonna get at? It's like 8. Alright, we heard another frog over there, but
You see one?
no, we saw a frog over there, but we hear one. Oh, I hate this grass. There's a frog somewhere over there, but which way on our meantime time? Holy!
Wanna look under the boats again?
No.
Wait. They're probably something. They probably went back down. So can I see the camera for a second? So another shout out to this cameraman.
No.
Ah!
Yeah, just this little
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah.
He's always happy to help in the camera world. Look at his face.
Okay,
Wow.
let's go check under the boats again. So Ryan's gonna flip it, and I'm gonna try to get on camera.
Yo, my mom bought these pants. They're huge. What?
Okay,
I
what
heard
are
you
we
talk.
doing?
Why are we
Okay,
talking
let's
about yeah.
flip
Okay,
that.
so we're gonna do the blue boat. Get a close eye tie. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's a catfish right there. Get it? Did you see him?
We'll check in the. Okay, let's.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, did you see that?
See?
Yeah, look. There's a catfish. It's a baby one.
I got it off.
Yo.
There's 2 actually, but I only got 1.
Here, let's check under the green one now, guys. Okay, we gotta be very careful, just in case. Oh, that was a minnow. That was a minnow.
Yeah. Wait, over at the red boat, it was either a baby catfish or a minnow. We don't really know.
Probably baby catfish. 3, 2, 1. Absolutely nothing.
Yes.
So, you see this dock here? This is where the entire lake is, filled with. In this entire lake. Me and the Tyler, he's behind the cam right now.
Let's zoom out again.
What do you do?
Zooming out.
Why?
Okay, that's the whole lake.
We like to go swimming in it. I have an inflatable jet ski. Tyler
Okay.
has an inflatable tube.
Yeah, let's start talking about something else.
And what the hell was that? Yo, I just heard something jump out the water.
Is it
Oh.
gonna hit my pee-pee if I do this?
Don't. This is a family-friendly show.
Yes.
I said that I hear something jump out the water.
Yeah, and you said. Okay, so.
Sorry, we're gonna have to blur that out because someone is inappropriate here.
Yes. This cameraman. Okay, take back the camera. Here we go.
And don't speak. Not you. You.
I'm trying not to. That big face.
Shame on you. Okay, here you go. Zoom out a little.
Shame.
You get the shame. Yes. Let's go. For some reason, someone decided to leave their disgusting socks there. Probably not clean. What's up?
We're gonna keep this video on for a couple more minutes, but the bobber hasn't moved.
Bob, haven't moved. Okay. Should we check behind the
Yeah, we're gonna tie.
Yeah, we're gonna take the pole where we caught a lot of trout once over here to see the camera for a second. Alright, so I heard the frog again, okay? And well, down here, a lot of down here. Catfish like to jump up everywhere around here in the waterfall, somewhere around here, and trout, sometimes trout. But also in the water there's trout. There's a little pool somewhere around over there, right where my finger is, where trout, there's this rainbow trout that lives there. But, yeah. So I'm gonna go down these stairs. They're already down there. Right now. Look at Liam. That stalker. Gosh darn, you itching your ear and itching your neck. Damn. Now I'm gonna probably start from here and I'm probably gonna jump this. Ready, guys? No, wait, I have to jump it from this side. Yeah, that was nice. Well, wait, sorry. Okay. Here you go, Liam. Again, Liam's behind the camera because he can't talk and you saw him stalking, itching his ear and neck. Don't forget it. Wait, what? You have a bite. Oh, I guess a rock bit our thing. We caught a rock! But yeah, nice. We lost the war. Well, Oh, guys, we lost our lure.
Wait, we're just gonna go with power bait.
No, Tyler, power bait, no. No.
Okay, so
Power bait doesn't.
how about
Apples don't work.
Okay, so
This guy thinks apples work on trout.
they
They
don't.
don't. Well, they do, but not really well. Do we have
So-
worms?
Guys, guys.
Hi.
So say the ending.
Huh? But I thought we were about to get the frog. We gotta look back at the frog.
No, we're gonna catch the frog first.
This might be a little boring video. I know we haven't uploaded in a while.
You got 5 minutes.
We haven't uploaded in a while. So we hear the frog. We haven't uploaded yet in a while. Sorry about that. Definitely Tyler, sorry. We didn't have enough time. We couldn't do it in a while and stuff, you know. But no jumping or fishing from bridge. I jumped off this bridge. And when the sign wasn't there, when they built a new bridge, what are you doing? I heard a croak.
Okay, I'll see the frog.
I see bubbles. I found a frog! I see a frog!
You do?
Oh, stay in there! We got it! I got him! Oh no! Oh my god! Get him. Ooh. You guys see that? Yeah! Beautiful, majestic little frog. You see him? You got that, Liam? Yeah.
Okay, now let's let him go.
I'm gonna try and taking him out with my hands. Can I hold him? Sure. Oh, frick. You get him, Ty.
I am an expert at frog holding.
So you see him? I believe he's a male because he was croaking. Look at that majestic face. That's probably gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, can I see him now?
way too close.
I see him.
Okay, go back in the net and
So he is very feisty. You feisty little goddamn frog.
shame.
I'm trying not to squeeze him. But this is him. Look at him. His little
we already
legs.
showed. Okay.
But I'm going to release this little guy. Come on, Liam. There's nothing to be afraid of a little harmless frog. See, if you hold him with his legs, non-touching you, then he won't jump out your hands. What we're gonna do, I found him right there, so I will release him back into there. See him? He's still there.
Okay.
Oh, whoa, we heard croaking. We heard some more croaking. Come on.
Where are we going?
Well, I heard some more croaking over here.
Yeah, we always do.
I heard croaking over here, but I don't see anything. But I guess that's gonna do it for this episode of whatever we did. We didn't
Yeah.
catch any trout. We caught a frog. I
Yeah.
hope that's enough.
It was a very boring video. But
Except for the frog.
we saw a couple baby catfish.
Oh
over
yeah,
there.
we saw like a couple baby catfish, but some of them you didn't see. Fat fish. Well, I guess we'll see you guys in the next video, which is probably gonna be in 3 days. Well, see you guys.
Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.